Hello everyone. This is a video for the Facebook group's challenge, Saturday challenge, and this week it is punch art. Whatever kind of punch art you want to do, use those scraps up. There's videos on YouTube showing punch art, there's Instagram, Pinterest, blog spots that show punch art, but what I chose to do for my punch art was make these birds, and they are quite cute. I'm going to link to the lady's video that shows you how to make these owls. There's no point me making a video showing you when you can easily pop over to this lady's channel. Plus you might find other videos that you want to watch on the lady's channel. That's a penguin, but all that I did was I didn't cut the top bit out to make the owl's ears, and this is another bird that I haven't cut the top out. And basically I used three, you can use all punches or dies, whatever, but I didn't have a punch this size, so I've used, that's where the sellotape adheres it down when I store it. So I've got that circle, then I've got my 1-inch punch, and I'm not sure what this is. It's 1/2 inch. It looks like 1/2 inch punch. So that's what I used to make these owls, and it will be really nice. Oh no, to make that owl. And I used a bigger punch to make this owl, a bigger die cut to make that owl. I didn't do very well explaining that, did I? So anyway, I'll link the ladies' channel below. This is a Saturday challenge for our Facebook group. There is Crafting Divas, that's the international Facebook group, and UK Crafty Swaps is, as it says, for the UK. So if you want to pop along, anybody, and have a look at our groups, then you're more than welcome. We're quite a friendly lot. The current swaps that are running in the UK Crafty Swap group are a Chunky Charm keyring swap, a loaded pocket swap using the 6x4 journal cards as the pocket, and a fairy pocket letter. They are the 3 swaps that are up in the UK Crafty Swaps at the moment. Okay then, thank you very much. Bye. Oh, and I look forward to seeing the group what you create with the art punch. Bye.